A lot of buyers believe AI might save them money by cutting real estate agents out of the process, but almost no one is asking the more important question. This topic is being debated online right now, and it's showing up in searches, online discussions, and in industry commentary. So today I want to cut through the noise and talk about what the research, the industry, and real professionals are saying. For those of you new to the channel, I'm Brian Diaz, a real estate agent here in Central Florida. I create these videos to help buyers and sellers make smarter decisions using data and real-world experience. And in this conversation around AI, it just isn't noise. People are really questioning whether agents are still necessary, just not for the reasons most headlines suggest. Most consumers are wondering if AI can handle their real estate needs, but what they really need to be asking is whether AI can save them both time and money. That's the real driver behind this conversation. Here's what people are actually typing into the search bars right now. Is this going to save me money by not having to use a realtor? Can AI replace real estate agents? Do I still need a realtor if AI exists? Can home buying be fully automated? This tells us something important. Consumers are trying to understand how much of this process can realistically be handled by technology. So instead of asking, will AI replace real estate agents? The better question is my agent leveraging AI in their business to improve the customer experience? Distinction matters, and the overwhelming consensus across the industry is pretty clear. AI is not eliminating real estate agents. It's automating tasks that used to take up a lot of time. Here's the question I'd ask you. How confident would you be with AI handling your entire real estate transaction with no human involvement at all? Tech commentators and industry professionals have been very clear on this point. AI is here to support agents, not replace them. Today, agents are already using AI to write listing descriptions, create marketing content, handle administrative tasks, analyze market data faster, and improve response times for customers. These tools make agents more efficient. They don't replace the judgment, strategy, or accountability. And that's where the difference really shows up. AI can't open the door to a home for you. It can't negotiate repairs after an inspection. It can't take your phone call at 10 o'clock at night when the deal feels like it's starting to fall apart. Most real estate tech media describe this moment as a transformation, not a takeover. So the message is consistent. Tech-savvy agents will be faster, more efficient, and more competitive. Agents who don't adapt are going to struggle. AI is not removing the human expertise. It's raising the bar for what consumers should expect from professionals. There's another important data point that most people miss. Even as AI-powered search becomes more common, real estate searches rarely end with fully automated answers. So instead, they continue to push people toward real conversations and real service. This tells us something very important. When the stakes are high, you still want human guidance. Buying or selling homes isn't like ordering a product online. It's emotional, it's financial, and it's full of variables that don't fit neatly into an algorithm. The most common themes behind recent AI-related searches are pretty telling. What tasks can AI really do? Can I trust AI with a major financial decision? Will AI reduce costs or create more risk? This tells us that consumers are curious but cautious. Here's the honest truth. AI is not replacing real estate agents today, but it is automating many of the tasks that we typically do manually, and that creates a clear divide. Agents who use AI well will serve their customers faster and better. Agents who rely on automation without strategy become interchangeable, and consumers can feel that difference immediately. So while AI can analyze data, summarize trends, and improve efficiency, it's only as good as the prompts that it's given. AI can't understand your personal risk tolerance. It can't guide negotiations when emotions are involved, can't adapt strategy when a deal starts to fall apart, and it can't take responsibility for outcomes. That's why trust still matters in real estate. So if you're buying or selling a home and wondering how AI fits into the process, the right question isn't, will AI replace agents? The better question is, who's using the right tools to serve your best interests? This video helped bring clarity to a topic that feels overwhelming. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends or someone who's planning to move into the area this year. And drop a comment below. Do you think AI makes real estate easier, riskier, or both? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.